Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete this specific daily task on Dress to Impress. So as you can see, there's the walk the runway using the swimsuit bottom, but sometimes people also get the swimsuit top. People are sometimes confused on what that means. So what you basically need to do is you need to either use this one or this one from the Baddie Pass. If you have the daily task of using the swimsuit top, grab this one, swimsuit bottom, grab this one. Just gonna color it to this color. I know the theme is farm, but like I can't avoid this. So I'm just going to make an outfit out of this, but that's pretty much what you'll need to do on Dress to Impress. I think I'm just going to layer on like a belt over it. I know it doesn't really fit the theme. Maybe you can wait for like a summery theme to come up, or you can stick with this. It's totally up to you what you want to do. I'm just trying to make it I don't know, I'm trying to make it into something, but that's pretty much what that daily task means. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.